Alright friends, now we are going to do a useful exercise. We will calculate the average of numbers in an array using a for each loop. But first, we must know how many elements are in the array. So that's why I define my array. Then we will loop through each element and calculate the sum. Finally, we will divide the sum by the number of elements to find the average. Okay. So I define my array, so the data type is integer. Even if all numbers are integer, the average may be a decimal number. So that's why we will define a double variable for the average. Okay. So to sum the numbers, we start with int, I come here, int total equals to 0. It's a neutral element for addition. And then I open my for each loop and then I change e. I can say number for each number. Okay, I should be logical. So I can reach each element using number keyword. So let's calculate the sum. I say total plus equals to number. It means total equals to total plus number. Okay. At the beginning is 0, is neutral element for addition, and then 0 plus number, it becomes number. And then I loop through again, number plus my second number. So totals becomes the result of the addition. And then it loop through again, number becomes my third element. So total plus number. So it means it gives me the sum of my three numbers. It continues like that until I find the sum of all numbers. Alright. So what I need to do, I need to find the average. So average can be maybe a decimal number. So that's why I define double variable. I say double average equals to what I need to do. I need to divide by the length. So total divided by numbers dot length. So total here, as you see, integer variable. So numbers dot length also integer. So I come here, you see. So what I need to do, I need to cast it. Because integer divided by integer, it gives me integer number. So if I print it, you will see system dot out dot println, and then inside the println I give my average variable. I already compile it, I run it. So you see 30.5. If I change my number, so I made it 45, which is my fourth element, and then I run it again, you see that gives me an integer number. So what I need to do, I need to cast it to double. So that's why I open my parentheses. I open my parentheses and close it, and then I give double. So that gives me integer number. I cast it to the double, so it gives me double number using this casting operation. Alright. If I run it again, you see, if I change it to 47, I run it again, so you see it gives me 31. It gives me an integer number. So what I need to do, I need to cast it. I need to cast it to double. So I open my parentheses and close it. Inside my parentheses, I give double. So that gives me an integer number. So I cast it to the double. So here, the expression is a double number. I save it. I run it again. You see, it gives me 31.4 because I'm casting the value. I hope you understand it. So let's make it look nicer. I come here. So I say average, and then I put my plus operator. I say average is this. So I run again. You see average 31.4. Super.